Wanting to know which firewall to purchase in 2026 for your home networks? In this video, we will be discussing pfSense versus Firewalla, the most prominent network security software out there for the home user community. So let's take a closer look. First, we have pfSense. pfSense network security software is one such solution for users who require advanced functionality, flexibility, and scalability. It's a wonderful open source firewall solution that is used by many people across home labs, small businesses, and even within enterprises. With no cost incurred towards the software itself and total flexibility to use and deploy it in any environment, the pfSense firewall solution would suit the needs of any professional networking person who wants complete flexibility without spending anything on the software. Then we have Firewalla. Firewalla was specifically created with simplicity and ease of use in mind, making it perfect for individuals or small business uses. The Firewalla is best suited for those who place importance on simplicity, built-in security improvements, and IoT. The Firewalla is a winner for anyone who wants an easy-to-use device with no need for complicated setups or technical knowledge. Although the older versions of Firewalla devices were known to upgrade to pfSense because they were not able to fully utilize their 1 gig up and down speeds. Thanks to the hardware limitation, but that's a problem of the past as Firewalla's current line of products supports multi-gigabyte speeds. So, which one is better? pfSense is ideal for network professionals or for people who require a highly customizable platform with advanced capabilities that do not come at any cost if you decide to use your own hardware. However, for the average user at home, Firewalla will be the best option due to its ease of use, IoT protection, and overall simplicity. For the technical person who needs to be able to change settings, modify, and adjust, pfSense will be the ultimate choice and there is no cost associated with the software. In case you prefer an easy-to-use firewall for home use, Firewalla will be the most optimal solution. If you enjoy a product with advanced possibilities, then try pfSense. Share your thoughts with us and let us know which platform is better in the comments section below.